Welcome to the evolving world of fiber lasers, where opportunities and challenges shape the future of the industry. According to 𝗦𝗵𝗿𝗿 Strategy Consulting, the global fiber laser market is predicted to reach $10 billion by 2030. Fiber lasers are essential in various aircraft components, including seats, panels, and insulation. Their lightweight nature, shock-absorbing capabilities, and thermal insulation properties make them particularly beneficial for these applications. The rising global space exploration industry is propelling the growth of the fiber laser market. As countries and private companies undertake more space missions, the demand for specialized coatings to protect and enhance spacecraft performance is increasing. The growth of air travel and rising disposable incomes worldwide are driving the expansion of aircraft fleets globally, boosting the demand for fiber lasers. In North America, the fiber laser market is witnessing substantial growth, driven by stringent government regulations regarding aircraft safety and maintenance. Meanwhile, Asia Pacific is expected to see increased demand for fiber lasers, fueled by the region's expanding aviation sector and global company investments. The market is comprised of key players such as 𝗙𝗶𝗯𝗲𝗿 Evonik Industries AG, Solvay, Greiner Aerospace, Boyd Corporation, Huntsman Corporation, Armacell, Pyrotech, Zotefoams, and General Plastics Manufacturing Company. These companies are at the forefront of innovation and development in the fiber laser industry. Thank you for joining me. Stay connected for further insights and updates on the dynamic evolution of fiber lasers and their transformative impact on the aerospace industry. For more information, visit our website or contact us today.